Let's simplify. Let's simplify. 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 What do we simplify? We have square root of 27 plus square root of 32 divided by square root of 18. Now, square root of 28 of 27 plus square root of 32 divided by square root of 18. Now, what's the solution? Solution says square root of 27 is the same as 3 times 9 plus square root of 32 is equals to 3 times 16 times 2. 18 is the same as 9 times 2. Nine times 3, square root of 9, square root of 3, plus square root of 16 times square root of 2, square root of 9, square root of 2. I hope you are following. I hope you are following. Let's recap. I hope you are following. Let's recap. I hope you are following. Let's see. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 3 plus square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 2 divided by square root of 9 is 3 to square root of 2. I hope you are following. I hope you are following. What is common here? What is common? Square root of 16 is 4. Now, is equals to 3 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 2 divided by 3 square root of 2. What is this? Now, square root of 3, 2 over square root of 3, 2 square root of 3. Why? You multiply both sides by this. This will cancel this. This will be multiplied by this. Now, here we have 3 times 3 is 9, square root of 2 times is 6, plus 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 2 is 4. All divided by 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 2 is 4, is equals to, is equals to 9 square root of 6 plus 12 square root of 2 is 4. 4 is 2. 9 square root of 2 is 2. Now, we're saying is equals to, let's see, 9 square root of 6 plus, now we're saying 9 plus 2 times is 24 divided by 18. This is 18, this is 24. Okay, now it's equals to 9 square root of 6 divided by 18 plus 24 divided by 18 is equals to 9 into 18. It goes to 1 plus goes to 4, it goes to 3. Now, what is left is square root of 6 over 2 and then plus 4 over 3. This is our final answer.